quadratic equations. So in chapter 2 polynomials, you have studied about different variety of polynomials. One was quadratic among them, right? So quadratic, the general form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0 and ABC belongs to, yes, ABC belongs to real numbers, right? This is the general form, or you can say standard form of quadratic polynomial. When we equate this polynomial is equal to 0, then it becomes quadratic equation. ठीक है? क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल को जब आप 0 के बराबर इक्वेट कर देंगे तो वो क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बन जाएगी, बिकॉज इक्वालिटी इज देयर. एंड सेकेंड डिग्री पॉलिनोमियल इज नोन एज क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल, यू नो दैट. एंड व्हेन वी इक्वेट दैट पॉलिनोमियल इक्वल टू 0, इट बिकम क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. क्लियर टू यू? And A, B, C are real numbers. What are real numbers? Real numbers means all rational numbers plus irrational number. Collectively they form real numbers. Okay. So the condition is A is not equal to 0 and A, B, C are the real numbers. कुछ भी हो सकते हैं, पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव, डेसिमल, रिपीटिंग, करेक्ट. Quadratic equation, the concept of quadratic equation will come from our daily life situation. For example, a charity trust wants to make a hall, prayer hall you can say, in which length is 1 more than twice its breadth. This is the condition, and the area will be 300 square meter. क्लियर? एक चैरिटेबल, जो चैरिटी वाले होते हैं, ठीक है, वो बनाना चाहते हैं क्या, एक प्रेयर हॉल बनाना चाहते हैं जिसमें जो लेंथ होगी आपकी क्या होनी चाहिए, 1 more than twice the breadth. ये कंडीशन उन्होंने दी है. एंड द सेकेंड कंडीशन इज एरिया विल बी 300 स्क्वायर मीटर. राइट? तो मतलब कंसेप्ट कैसे आया, क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन कैसे जनरेट हुआ, राइट? सो सी, सो लेट द ब्रेड्थ बी, क्योंकि हमें ब्रेड्थ के बारे में नहीं पता, सो लेट इट बी x मीटर. अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर सिचुएशन और कंडीशन यू कैन से लेंथ विल बी वेरी गुड 1 more than twice the breadth. तो ब्रेड्थ का ट्वाइस कर लीजिए और उसमें 1 ऐड कर दीजिए. 1 more than twice the breadth. So according to you, area of the rectangle will be, what is the area of the rectangle? It is given. Otherwise, what is the formula for to find out length into breadth? So area of rectangle is L into B. Clear? And area is given in our situation 300, and L is 2x plus 1, and breadth is, now simplify this, 2x square plus, then the next step is 2x square plus x minus 300 is equal to 0, which is the required quadratic equation. ठीक है? तो ऐसे डेली लाइफ प्रॉब्लम्स, वैसे ये छोटा सा मैंने एग्जांपल लिया, सो मेनी प्रॉब्लम्स आर देयर जिनसे ये कंसेप्ट जनरेट हुआ है, हाउ टू फाइंड सिंप्लीफाई द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. और क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन आई कहाँ से, ठीक है? So this is the required quadratic equation. Now the next is how to solve quadratic equation. So the first method is factorization method. Okay? What factorization means? First you find out you have to solve the quadratic polynomial by middle term splitting, and then you have to find out its roots. Solve means, solve quadratic equation means you have to find out the value of x. Clear? So see, for in your first exercise, first of all we learn before this method, factorization method, the question number 1 of first exercise is check whether the following are quadratic equation or not. आपको बताना है so many equations are given to you कि वो quadratic equation है या नहीं. तो first you simplify the expression. LHS RHS सारा सॉल्व करना है, ठीक है. तो जैसे हम we will take one example. See, sixth part I am taking. X square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole square. You have to check whether it is quadratic or not. So first you have to solve this. This is already in simplified form. And here you apply a minus b whole square. So a square plus b square minus 2 formula का, then a into b. So simplify it and write it as it is. Now see, x square cancel out. Now collect the like terms. ये सारी terms यहाँ shift कर लीजिए. आपको पता है कि shifting of terms में you have to change the sign. Positive become negative, negative become positive. Now collect the like terms. 3x plus 4x become minus 3 is equal to 0. Is it quadratic?
No.
It is not a quadratic equation. It is linear equation in one variable, right? So as it is, the degree of the required equation is not 2. Degree of the polynomial is 1. So it is linear. It is not a quadratic equation. So in this way you can simplify both sides, right? And shift all the terms on one side and then comment upon it. कि ये quadratic है या नहीं? Clear है ये?
Yes.
Can we take some other example? Clear to you? Okay. Now the second question is, in this question so many parts are there, and in this way you have to simplify and comment upon the equation. And in second question you have to represent word problem is given to you, and you have to represent that word problem in the form of quadratic equation, or you can say you have to represent it algebraically and leave it as it is, right? So the question is represent the following situation in the form of quadratic equation. So your first question is area of the rectangular plot is 528. Area of rectangular plot is 528 meter square. This is given, and the length of the plot is 1 more than twice the breadth. Area is L into B again, and length is again 1 more than twice the breadth. Breadth is x. Right? Now simplify this. 2x square plus x, and shift this down here, which is the required quadratic equation. Leave it as it is. Question ढंग से read करना है. यदि बोला है कि represent the situation in the form of quadratic equation, वहीं पर आपको छोड़ देना, सॉल्व नहीं करना. हाँ, नोट नहीं सॉल्व करना. If it is written over there to find the value of length or breadth, further listen here. In addition to it, if it is written over there that you have to find out the length and breadth also, length and breadth of the rectangular plot, then you have to simplify it. Okay, either by factorization or quadratic formula. Clear? Then we take some another word problem of exercise 4.1. Right? See the third part. Rohan's mother is 26 older than him. Rohan's mother is 26 older than him. So let the Rohan's age be x. Let the Rohan's age be x years. आपको यूनिट जरूर लिखनी है साथ में. So therefore its mother age, his mother's age is 26 more than him, that means x plus. ये आपने लिख लेना है, ठीक है. Then the another condition is product of their ages in years 3 years from now. That means product of the age of Rohan and his mother after 3 years. 3 साल बाद जो उनकी एज होगी दोनों की, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दैट विल बी गिवन, दैट इज 360, राइट? सो आफ्टर 3 years, अकॉर्डिंग टू कंडीशन यू कैन राइट, अकॉर्डिंग टू कंडीशन, अकॉर्डिंग टू स्टेटमेंट, अकॉर्डिंग टू सिचुएशन, कुछ भी लिख सकते हो आप। अकॉर्डिंग टू कंडीशन लिख रही हूँ मैं, ठीक है? कंडीशन के अकॉर्डिंग क्या है बेटा? इन दोनों की 3 साल बाद की एज, तो रोहन से प्रेजेंट एज इज x, आफ्टर 3 years एज विल बी x plus 3, नॉट 3x बेटा। 3x मीन्स तो थ्राइस ऑफ, 3 times नहीं, ठीक है? आफ्टर 3 years एज ऑफ हिज मदर विल बी, जितनी एज है अभी उसमें 3 ऐड कर दोगे, तो 3 साल बाद की दोनों की एज आपके पास पता लग गई है। वेयर प्रोडक्ट